Today I'm going to show you how to use labels in Jira. So what we're going to do is go over to one of our spaces or projects over here on the left. I'm going to choose this one. You can do this in the list view, the board view. You can do this in the timeline view, pretty much any one of these views. Now I'm going to do it in the list view. And there are two ways to do this. Now, if you hold in Shift and use the mouse wheel, you'll be able to scroll down this columns over here. And at the bottom, you'll see configure columns. Click on this and look for labels if it's already not here. Now, if it's not here, it will be unchecked. And if it is, it'll be checked. Now you can see it's here and there are no labels attached to any of these tasks. Go ahead, click inside there and type in whatever label it is that you would like, hit enter. Now, what's going to happen is that label that you've just created will be created, and then it will also be added to that task that you've just assigned. Okay, go ahead, click the check mark, and now that'll be added. Oh, one last thing, make sure that there are no spaces. So let's just say new one like this, hit enter, it'll be there, and here it is. Make sure that there are no spaces. You can go ahead and add additional labels, so you can say new 2, hit enter, it is also there. Now if you go ahead and you want to add a label somewhere else, you'll actually be able to see all of the labels that you've already created. So once you've created them, they will stay in your database, and now you can see here that they are all here. Now, another way to view this is by actually going into the project or the task. So go and click on it. On the right hand side, you'll see all of the details, and you're going to come down. You'll see labels. Go ahead and you can click over here. You can add them in. You can also go over here. I'm going to go back. We are going to go into the board view. And once you're in the board view, you'll be able to see your items. And let's say go to our backlog, this item over here, click on it, you'll be able to see this right over here. Let's go to the PM team, look into the boards section here. Here you can see some tasks. Again, click on the task, open it up. On the right hand side, you will see labels. And again, whatever you've already used, it's been saved as a label, you can reuse it.